In today's video, I'll walk you through how to view categories on CoinGecko. Start by opening your browser and going to the CoinGecko website. Once the homepage loads, look toward the top navigation area of the site. CoinGecko organizes its tools and market data into different sections, and one of those sections allows you to explore cryptocurrencies by category. From the top menu, look for the cryptocurrency section. Move your cursor over it if needed to open the drop-down menu. In that menu, look for the option labeled Categories and click on it. This will take you to CoinGecko's Categories page, where cryptocurrencies are grouped based on specific themes, sectors, or types of projects. Once the Categories page opens, you'll see a list of different crypto categories available on CoinGecko. These categories may include sectors such as decentralized finance, meme coins, Layer 1 blockchains, artificial intelligence tokens, gaming tokens, and many others depending on what CoinGecko is currently tracking. Each category typically includes useful market information that helps you understand its size and performance. For example, you may see the category name, the total market capitalization of that category, the 24-hour market cap change, and the number of coins included in that group. You can scroll down the page to browse through the available categories. If you're looking for a specific type of crypto sector, this page makes it easier to explore projects based on a theme rather than searching for individual coins one by one. If a category interests you, click on its name. CoinGecko will open a dedicated page for that category, where you can view the cryptocurrencies included in it. On that page, you may see a ranked list of coins associated with the category, along with details such as current price, market cap, trading volume, and recent performance. You can continue using these category pages to compare projects within the same sector. For example, if you open a decentralized finance category, you can review the coins grouped under that theme and see how they compare in terms of market size and activity. If you want to go back and explore other categories, simply return to the categories page and select another one from the list. This is a useful way to discover market segments, trending crypto sectors, and related tokens that fall under the same theme. You can also use the categories page to get a broader view of the crypto market by seeing which sectors are larger, which are growing, and which categories contain the most projects. And that's it. That's how to view categories on CoinGecko by opening the categories section and exploring the different groups of cryptocurrencies listed on the platform.